on the thematic poster. Time I achieve levitation when I put metal washer under the ring magnet, 19.2 grams. First levitation. Filed 0.2 grams weight away. Now it works. So this is the height above the magnet. So height above the magnet, 4 centimeters. Magnet diameter 9 centimeters. It is from a speaker. Hole diameter 4.5 centimeters. Now the total weight 19 grams. These are the parts I have used. Magnet 25 outside diameter and 16 inside diameter. I glued in 3D printed spacer so that everything fits on 6mm axle. Magnet weight, washer 4.2 grams. 3D printed part 0.6 grams. It is very sensitive to metal parts around. If I put a metal plate beneath, it provides additional lift. They've got different diameter weights. The spinner is further away from big magnet. It spins longer time. There are less eddy currents. Some mystery going on with magnet. I think I change magnetization of ferrite magnet, make it more even. After doing this procedure, it is easier to run the top smoothly. Magnetometer. Now it starts to wobble periodically. Jungling up and down. Yeah, there is something with that magnetization. Magnetic field visualization. There are some small defects, but not critical. But be careful with neodymium magnet. If you put it opposite, you can change magnetization of ferrite magnets, because neodymium magnets are stronger. Quite comfortable to launch the top inside such a ball. It does not fly all over the place. Let's measure the speed. It says 2200. This meter cannot be trusted. With this procedure, I think I am rewriting the pole of the round magnet to become higher to the top, more close to the top, because this white line is not in the middle of the thickness, it's closer to the top. Now it works. Can we see something? Oh yes, we can see. Very nice. My finished product. Levitating top.